Whether it's a cheating partner, broken promises, or deception from family and friends, betrayal is heartbreaking. And our bodies react in ways that make it even harder to cope. To manage the shock, your mind goes into survival mode, fight or flight response, which triggers a significant increase in stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. The symptoms that follow include anxiety, depression, sleepless nights, self-isolation, flashbacks, and a deep sense of loss. And in all this chaos, you might even wonder if you could have done something to prevent it. But the truth is, none of it was your fault. Healing from this kind of pain may take time, but you can do it. Let's talk about how you can heal gradually and start living happily. Find safety. This involves distancing yourself both physically and emotionally from the person who hurt you, at least for a while. And the truth is, you have to create that safe space for yourself. Set boundaries with them, even if drastic measures need to be taken, like cutting off contact completely. Think of it like this: if you've been bitten by a snake, would you keep chasing it, seeking for answers and validation? No, you'd focus on treating the wound instead. In the same vein, it's important to focus on healing rather than dwelling on the source of your pain. Mourn the loss. Many cultures set aside quality time for mourning, offering a structured approach to reflection and healing. You're not only grieving your loss, but also the future you imagined, the trust that's been shattered, and the person you were before this happened. So let your emotions flow, whether it's anger, sadness, or confusion. There's no wrong feeling in this phase. Journaling, venting, or creative outlets are all healthy ways to express your pent-up emotions. Also, consider connecting with a therapist or support group to receive professional help. Take it day by day. Some days you'll feel ready to move on. On other days, you might feel stuck and question if you'll ever feel like yourself again, and that's okay. Healing isn't a straightforward journey. When you feel strong, use that day to get things done. And on tougher days, take extra special care of yourself. Let go gradually at your own pace. The key is to keep going, even on the hard days. Forgive when you're ready. The person most hurt by unforgiveness, anger, and grudges is you. Once you feel a sense of safety and have begun the work of healing, consider forgiveness. Not as a way to excuse the betrayal, but as a way to set yourself free. Start with yourself. Forgive yourself for not seeing the signs or for any choices that you regret. You're human, and we are all learning, always. Then when you're ready, forgive them. This doesn't mean you let them back into your life or that you condone what they've done, but letting go of resentment can lift an enormous weight off of you. Think of it this way. Holding on to resentment is like drinking poison, hoping it'll hurt the other person, but it only keeps hurting you. Sometimes forgiveness is about setting yourself free and allowing space for healing. Try the Hawaiian practice of ho'oponopono. This is a meditation that helps you feel whole again. Place your hands over your heart. Close your eyes and gently picture the person you want to forgive, whether it's them or even yourself. Slowly repeat these 4 phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Practicing this for 5 to 10 minutes daily will help you release the emotional weight you've been carrying. Remember, forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself, one that frees you from the heavy chains of hurt and offense. If you're finding this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Calm your nervous system. Studies show that experiencing loss can trigger harmful emotional and behavioral patterns. When you feel the urge to escape your feelings through substances or unhealthy coping mechanisms, it's essential to manage these triggers. Find a quiet space and breathe deeply until you feel relaxed. In addition, consider taking a warm bath with baking soda, Epsom salts, and essential oils to soothe your body. Joining a restorative yoga class or getting regular massages can alleviate migraines and neck pain. In essence, prioritize self-care and treat yourself with compassion. Stay connected to the world. It's natural to want to numb the pain with distractions like TV, alcohol, or work. However, research shows that this can lead to depression and isolation because healing doesn't happen in isolation. It happens in a community. Every new connection, no matter how shallow, can help you feel less alone. Be open to new experiences by exploring friendships, hobbies, or dreams. Say yes to small opportunities that spark your curiosity. These help you recognize that life still has good things to offer, even when it feels hard to believe. Healing doesn't mean forgetting the past. It means putting it behind you and learning to live fully despite it. Gradually, rebuild trust. Healing usually involves overcoming that inner resistance to trust again. Here's how you can overcome it. Begin by asking yourself, what has this taught me about myself or my values? This might reveal the importance of setting boundaries or recognizing red flags. Jot these insights down, as reflective journaling can enhance your mental health. Focus on lessons learned, not regrets, and choose to emerge stronger and smarter from this experience. This shifts your self-esteem from a victim to a resilient overcomer. Challenge those all or nothing thoughts like, everyone will betray me, by reminding yourself that not everyone is the same. For example, just because a family member lets you down doesn't mean you have to cut ties with your whole family. Focus on individual actions and behaviors rather than labeling entire groups. Remember, open hearts can also heal. Believe in your heart that someday you will heal from your pain. You'll know you've reached this point when you remember those who betrayed you, not with bitterness, but with the strength to wish them well and move on. Now, it may seem like a distant dream, but with time, self-compassion, and the positive steps we discussed, it can become a reality. In the meantime, process your pain, mourn your loss, actively and mindfully take care of yourself, and gradually rebuild your life. You will surely become stronger, wiser, and ready to embrace life with renewed enthusiasm and purpose. What valuable life lesson have you learned on your healing journey? Let's talk about it in the comments. Want to learn more about what healing looks like? Watch this video. Thanks for being here.